So we're back on Earth. Currently we're approaching my embassy in the Congaree People's Republic. I've got my hound dog here, sniffing them out. Everything's pretty hidden here. You can see we just got off the Stellar Highway. Got some business to take care of. A little bug. Yeah, so it's my warrior. She's gaining some experience today, getting some new smells and fighting some new enemies. So it's a learning experience for her, but we're all having a great time, and it's a beautiful day here on human Earth, and just had to share it with all of you.
Puppy. Hi, Sakura.
Yeah, they've just about got us pinpointed. They're firing at us from somewhere over there. Got their scouts. Yeah, Poppy's laying low. This is probably the end. Looks like the war crimes caught up to me. Good luck me. Yeah, a lot of damage has been done here. They've been tearing this place up looking for me. I used to hide under trees, so that's why they've been knocking them down willy-nilly. Little do they know, now that our warriors picked up their scent, we're hunting them. This is poison ivy.
I think so.
Bruh.
I'm gonna show you a life hack on how to treat any poison using nothing but charcoal and ipecac. How'd you do that, baby?
Come here.
they're trying to keep us from where we're going. That does mean that they're onto us, though. So we're gonna have to keep on marching.
Oh, Bobby, come on, baby.
Gotta make sure you stay hydrated. Normally I'm here to milk hydrates better than water, so I would be drinking milk right now, but I already drank all my milk. You know, it's kind of hard to lug around a gallon of milk with you everywhere, because you drink it in like the first few hours. So had to do some repairs on the old clunker. She's working pretty well though. Does whatever I want, whenever I want. Not too much lit. We got a turtle. Yeah, it's nice to see the Earth animals, because there's not a lot up on Mars yet. It's just me and my bacteria. And Elon Musk's there occasionally. Well, I'll have to get into that at some time. I am currently engaged in a war over Mars with Elon Musk. It's a whole thing. I'm not trying to get into that today. Today I'm trying to just meet with the leaders of the Congaree People's Republic to make sure my embassy is still going strong. I like to house international criminals in my embassies for pay, pretty much, but just make sure they're not getting pulled out of my embassy. So if I can find them, I don't know where they went. I forget, man. It's so hard to find anything here. Or maybe where we fed the turtles.
I can't talk about feeding the turtles.
I'll beat it. I'll make it so it's beat the turtles. Wish we could see the other side. I meant to shave, but all the space travel got me looking like a homeless. Okay, we got a lizard's tail. We got a lizard. I touched him. You let me touch him. No, it's okay. It's okay. We're your friends. You got a blue tail. I'm gonna call that a blue-tailed lizard. That's a blue-tailed skank. Water into that hole. It's a fish hole. They get all fishy in there. That's where they do their fish stuff. Nasty as hell. Probably don't like that.
I think these holes are too big for her little feet.
I can carry the little puppy. Good girl. Yeah, she has really small feet. How does hers? Turtle. Two turtle. What was once a mighty empire is now nothing but disgusting wilderness. That could be it. Well, we'll see.
Is it still about stealth camping?
Yeah, that could be where we're stealth camping. We're gonna stealth camp in the Congaree People's Republic. Ritualized torture circle. You can see the skeletons of people. They have people jump out of the trees into the fire if they catch you, so let's hope we don't get caught stealth camping tonight. Gonna be stealth camping over there. We got Poppy. Eating my nutrient pellets, yeah. And basically, just vibing. So I don't even, okay, nah, I'm sorry. Elon Musk needs to stay off my planet. I'll send that boy back to the emerald depths from which he was born. Mars is mine. I've been there since 2017, on and off. I've been there a lot now. I've been doing way more work than he ever will. Starlink, I'm not gonna threaten to destroy your satellites, but I'm gonna outperform them. I'm going back to passenger pigeons. I'm gonna outperform the internet. You wanna talk about efficiency? Wait till you see my pigeon horde unleashed on you and the world governments of the entire planet. I eat like the birds. I live like the birds. I know the birds. Gotta get back into the woods. We're way too out in the open here.
Where are the bunnies?
There are the bunnies
Where?
in that thicket.
Oh, I bet.
That looks like bunny heaven.
Alright.
Oh,
Oh.
squirrel just went in that hole. Saw his tail. Oh, squirrel. You can see we have a meeting ground down there. Means we're getting close. I think we'll come up on it in a second. But yeah, we're approaching the compound of the river people, and we're gonna give them what for. Right along the other side. It's big.
I don't even see anything.
It's you see these little fish right here near the top?
No.
It's just swimming past. I can see its eyeball. It's long. Try and move around. It's swimming this way.
Stop putting your finger in front of the camera. It's very hard to get on video.